Christ and to die is gain. Still I'm torn between the two. I'd rather be with Christ, but should I stay with you? It's better for you that I remain, or to live is Christ and to die is gain. To live is Christ and to die is gain. The world seems to get darker every day. To live is Christ and to die is gain. But there is with us a light that never fades. To live is Christ and to die is gain. What could be better than to say the holiest of holies knows me by my name? This then is the reason we proclaim. To live is Christ and to die is gain. Have this mind that be in you, which was also in Jesus. Being in the form of God, did not consider it robbery to be an equal of the Father. Yet he made himself of no reputation as he came to us, a servant. And being found in appearance of a man, he humbled himself and was obedient, even to the point of his death, the death of the cross, death of the cross. God has exalted and God has exalted, God has exalted the name of Jesus Christ. To live is Christ and to die is gain. Hear an answer to all life's pain. To live is Christ and to die is gain. The cross, death of the cross. And God has exalted and God has exalted, God has exalted the name of Jesus.